Hello students, welcome to question hour session of Ajmal IS Academy. Here we will be discussing 5 MCQs from the daily newspaper, The Hindu and Indian Express. So let's start the session. Our first question is on biomaterial. Statement 1 says it can help reduce India's dependency on fossil-based imports. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says it can provide additional income stream to farmers through agriculture residue. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says India is completely self-reliant in biomaterial processing technology. This is an incorrect statement. So answer here becomes 1 and 2, that is A. Let's move on to the second question. The second question is regarding methane emission. Statement 1 says methane is a short-lived climate pollutant compared to carbon dioxide. Is a correct statement. Statement 2 says methane is one of the strongest short-lived climate polluter. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says methane contributes significantly more to global warming per unit than carbon dioxide. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes D, that is 1, 2 and 3. Let's move on to the third question. The third question is regarding the Biohappiness project. Statement 1 says the project is being implemented in the newly formed KE Maino district of Arunachal Pradesh. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says it focuses exclusively on agriculture productivity and crop yield. This is an incorrect statement, as biohappiness is a broader term that includes sustainable use of biodiversity. Statement 3 says the term biohappiness was coined by late agricultural scientist Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 1 and 3, that is A. Let's move on to the fourth question. The fourth question is regarding production linked incentive scheme. Statement 1 says the scheme is administered by Ministry of Heavy Industries. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says financial incentives under the scheme are linked to production output. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says it incentivizes local production of only those products that achieve a domestic value add of 50%. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 1, 2 and 3, that is C. Let's move on to the fifth and final question. The fifth and final question is regarding the Ratle hydroelectric project. Statement 1 says the project is being implemented on the Chenab River in the Indus Basin. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says it has an installed capacity of 850 megawatt. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says the project is owned entirely by National Hydroelectric Power Corporation. This is an incorrect statement, as it is jointly owned by National Hydroelectric Power Corporation and Jammu and Kashmir State Power Development Corporation. So answer here becomes 1 and 2, that is A. That's all for today, and you can find all this question in our social media platform. Thank you.